Hello, I'm Micah from Music Mastery, and today we're going to be talking about playing notes with the register key on the clarinet. Playing notes with the register key can be a big step of progression for beginning clarinetists, and can often be a big challenge. So there's a few things that we'll go over today to make your life easier as you learned. There are 4 things that will help us play notes above the break. The first is our tongue position, which you want to keep high like we're saying the word E. So say E along with me and feel where your tongue hits your back teeth. E. The back of your tongue hits the inside of your molars, and that's the position we want our tongue to be in as we're playing. And then the second thing we want to do is to flatten our chin and pull it down like this, as opposed to having it relaxed and up as it is in the rest of our life. Thirdly, we want to have a little bit of lip pressure forward into the reed. So what you're going to do is push with your teeth or your jaw just a little bit forward through your lip into the reed, like this in this direction, as opposed to biting up. So we're not biting into the reed, we're just pushing forward. And then lastly, as with all our playing, we need to have good air support. So we're going to do a few exercises to get used to playing notes with the register key. And so let's start on our low C. Then all you're going to do is play your low C with those 4 aspects of playing we talked about: high tongue, flat chin, lip pressure, and good air. And then you're going to just add the register key with your thumb. Okay? Like this. And so if you have solid fundamentals of your playing on the C, when you press the register key, that G should come out quite easily. Okay? Pause the video, give it a few goes, and then we'll keep going. Okay. So you can also practice this with all the other notes in the lower register of the clarinet, the notes without the register key. Let's try it on a low F, and then press the register key to get a C. And I encourage you to go through many other notes on the instrument and try this out. Okay, and then we're going to start on the C in the staff, this C here, and we're going to go up as high as we can. And as you get higher, you may need to add a little more lip pressure forward into the reed. Remember, not up, just forward, and then keep your tongue a little bit higher in your mouth, more like E as opposed to ah. Okay? And just see how high you can go. So as you practice, you'll be able to go higher and higher, and this does take some time, so just be patient with yourself. As you play more and practice these exercises with high notes more, your embouchure will get stronger, which will allow you to play higher and higher. So, happy practicing, and I hope this video was an encouragement to you and was helpful. If you're enjoying these videos, please make sure to encourage other members in your ensemble to join MusicMastery.band so that everyone in your section will have their parts mastered for every rehearsal. Remember, you get 3 requests per month as a member, and we look forward to helping you with your next fundamentals that you're trying to learn or your next piece. Till next time.